Hi, today we can see how to configure the WAN network in the Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so I can take the 2811 router, then I can take the switch, okay, same, then I can take the one PC. Okay, the same thing that is having a two. Okay, so see, so there is having a 2811 router, then 2960 switch and PC. Okay, so we want to configure the WAN network. Okay, go to here, go to straight over cable. Okay, then I can connect fast Ethernet to the switch, then I can connect the switch to PC. Okay, so I can choose the IP address ranges 192.168.0.0. so this is the range of IP address. So go to here, PC, go to desktop and go to the IP config. There is having a two option, one is the DHCP, another one is static. So the static I will give the IP address of the PC. So 192.168.0.3. so then I can give the subnet mask. Okay, then I can give the default gateway. So yesterday also I told you, okay, default gateway is the LAN interface of the router 192.168.0.1. so the first IP address I want to give the LAN interface. So go to the router, so go to the CLI mode. So you want to configure the router. Same yesterday we can see the same configuration of the LAN. Then you can want to configure the WAN network. Then go to the no config, no, then give enable command, then config T. Okay, then you can give the interface. So what is the interface of the router? First you want to see the router interface. See, there is having a interface called FA0/0. Okay, then give the FA0/0, then I can give enter, then I can give the IP address, IP add. So what is the IP address? 192.168.0.1. so 255.255.255.0. so because of it is a class C IP address, so class C range subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. so that's so the first IP address I will given to the default gateway for the router. So then I can give enter, then I can give no shut. Okay, automatically your line will up. Then go to exit command. Okay, then you can give the interface. So interface, see, so in this scenario we are not having the other router here. So what is the WAN network? Actually WAN network is its outer boundary network. Okay, so I can connect the other router, then I want to join these two routers. So I want to join this two router means you can able to execute the WAN connections. So how can able to execute this command? So go to the physical mode and you want to off the router. See, so if you want to off the router, because of, so why we want to off the router? So I can close here. So why we want to off means, so you want to configure the WAN network means the serial interface you want to configure now. So there is a two type of the interfaces. One is the clockwise interface, another one is a non-clockwise interface of the serial cable. So I can choose the clock interface because of I want to choose this is the DCE and this is the DTE. Okay, go to here, you can see there is not having a console because of Ethernet channel only is there having. We are not having the serial interface. So what I want to do? So I want to connect the interface here. So see, there is not having the any interfaces. Go and off and on. So I can off the router, then go to down, then you can choose WIC2T. so this is the interface of the router. Okay, then I can select here, I can paste it here, then give on. Okay, so go to the second router, same router, you want to do the same configuration. Okay, so I can off the router, then I can choose the 2T and I will connect it here. Okay, just you can give the on button. Okay, so the router automatically now is booting. Now see, the router is booting. Same, you can go to this second router. So router, you can see the router is booting. See, before we are configure the LAN connections, so what happened? So if you go and turn off your router, means automatically it will boot, it will go to the down. Okay, so automatically self start what's happened. Okay, so what you want to do? So again you want to configure the LAN network, then only can able to connect the WAN network. Okay, so same configuration. Before I want to connect this WAN connection. So see, now we can get the WAN interface. So I can select the serial. So same serial interface I want to give the interface here. See, so one is the clock rate, another one is a clock rate receiving. So this is called a DCE and this is a DTE. So DCE is only using for the giving the service to the DTE. So which are the services available in our DCE, they can able to access through the DTE only. Okay, so I can give here and go to no command, then I can give enter, then I can give same enable config T, then I can give the IP and then I can give the 192.168.0.1 255.255.255.0, then I can give enter. See, there is some error is happening. Why? I not given the interface. Yesterday also same mistake I can do here. So I want to give the interface. Okay, then give interface, then FA 0/0, then I can give enter, then I can give the IP address. Now you can get the not error in the interface. Then I can give no shut command, then I can give enter. So the line will up. See, the line protocol on the interface. Okay, the changed state is to up. Okay, then I can give exit, then I can go interface. So why I want to give the interface? Because I want to configure the LAN network. So this is our interface now. Okay, this interface I want to give now. Okay, so go to here SC 0/3/0. Okay, then give enter, then can give IP add. So see, we are not having any IP range, means ID range it's having in a WAN network. So I want to give the IP address range. What is the IP address? 10.0.0.0. This is the IP range here. So the go to your router, then you can add the router ID IP 10.0.0.1. So what IP address? What is the class of this one? Actually, this is a class A. So automatically your subnet mask also it will come 255.0.0.0. So this is a class A IP range. Then I can give enter. Then I can give no. I can give the clock rate now. So clock rate. So default clock rate is 64,000. Then I can give enter. Then I can give no shut. Okay, give enter. So see, there is not up your interface. See, because of I can configure the one side, but another side I didn't configure here. So same type you want to do the configuration in the second router also. Okay, go to this interface, then I can give enter, then no, then I can give enable, then I can give the config T. So you want to give the interface. So interface is, what is the interface? SC 0/3/0. Then I can give enter, then IP add, So what IP address? 10.0.0.2, because of first ranges I give this DCE, then second ranges I given to the DTE. So this is a DTE now. So give 255.0.0.0, then I can give enter, then I can give no shut command. So now you can line will up now. See, now we can get the up. Okay, so this is the WAN configuration. Okay, thank you.